Hello everyone, I am Upasana Taneja, and in today's video we have this question where we need to find the value of a minus b, and they are saying a and b are positive integers, and another thing they are telling us that a square minus b square is 1573, right? We are given a square minus b square is equal to 1573, right? Okay, as we can see here that we have just one equation and we need to find the value of two variables, right? Okay, so in this case what do? We try to factorize this thing. Okay, what is a square minus b square? A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. This is an identity, right? Okay, and then we have on the right hand side 1573. We will try to factorize 1573. Okay, so 1573 is not divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5. You can check up to 10. But it is divisible by 11. So I will divide it with 11. 11 ones are 11. So you will get 1 and then you get 4 remainder. So 11 fours are 44. Then you will get 3 remainder and then 11 threes are 33, right? And this again is divisible by 11, which you will get 13, right? And then this is divisible by 13 and we get 1 here. Now we can write this as 11 times 13. But you know what? We need two numbers instead of 3. So because on the left hand side we have two terms, right? A plus b and a minus b. Okay, so how can I write it in product of two numbers? 11 times 11 we know is 121. Either we can write it 121 times 13, or we can write it, I will multiply 11 times 13 this time. It is 143 times 11, right? Or I can write it 1573 times 1. I can write it in three ways. Okay, now we know that a plus b, it can be only the bigger number. Why? Because when you have two numbers a and b, a plus b will always be greater than a minus b. So here out of these two, whichever is greater, that will be a plus b, and whichever is lesser, that will be a minus b, right? So a plus b in this case is 121, in this case is 143, and in this case is 1573. But what are we required to find? We are required to find a minus b, right? So I will find a minus b can be either 13 or 11 or 1. So I hope you get it now. If you understood it, do subscribe to my channel, and for more such questions you can visit my channel. We have many Maths Olympiad questions. We have short tricks and concepts as well that I explain on my channel. So do visit and give your reviews. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.